Information. Information. Okay. Oh, no, don't start. Close your eyes. You have to close and 3 times spin and then write. Let's see who's first. Blind speed spell. Students are put in a group or with a partner. They come to the board, hand each one a marker and tell them to close their eyes, or they can put their mask over their eyes. One of the students spins their partner around and directs them to the board. You call out a word and they have to write it out on the board correctly. The first person to complete the word correctly spelled and in a readable manner wins a point. It's a simple but fun spelling board game. I'm going to test your spelling. This is called blind speed spell. Loy and I, we are in a team. Then I will say a word. Let's say I say burger. Then I will close my eyes. Lloyd will spin me around and he will put me, and then I close my eyes and I have to write burger. The first team to get it correct and I can read it well wins. Comfortable. Okay, everybody spin 3 times. Comfortable. Pyon hai. 1. Comfortable. Spin 3 times. Close your eyes. Don't look. No cheating. Okay, which one is the best? We've got Comfort Top, we've got Comfort Tuber, like YouTuber, Comfanta. Oh, okay, let's try it one more time. Final round. Information. Information. Okay, oh, no, don't start. Close your eyes. You have to close and 3 times spin and then write. Let's see who's first. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, everyone take a seat. Take a seat. Information, just the F we need here. Information, good job. Well done. That's 1 point there. And then information. And I think I'm giving this team the point for being first. So our winners, good job. Well done.